Imagine being able to customize an AI model with your proprietary data in days. Customizing AI models requires defining your use case, preparing your data, selecting a model and customization technique, training a model, and evaluating and optimizing the model for deployment. This process can take months. What if you could skip the complexity and bring customized models to production faster? You don't have to imagine. The new serverless model customization capability in Amazon SageMaker AI empowers you to simplify the end-to-end model customization workflow. The easy-to-use interface provides flexibility and enables you to select a model and customization technique, like reinforcement learning, select your dataset, and launch training, evaluation, and deployment in just a few clicks. With the AI agent-guided workflow, you can explain your use case in natural language to an AI agent that will then automatically generate a specification that includes dataset guidelines, evaluation criteria, and associated metrics. With end-to-end model customization that is completely serverless, SageMaker AI removes complexity and automatically handles compute provisioning, scaling, and optimization. See how you can accelerate your model customization workflows from months to days. Get started with Amazon SageMaker AI today.